wonder what this is.
This is a bus. It has lots of space to carry passengers on different routes. What a mess! We use these parts to build a vehicle. Rear window. Seat. Seats. Seats. Wheel. 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 Headlight. Headlight. Doors. Windshield. Roof. It turned out so well. Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel.